right here. What you guys don't see is the mess that comes along with it. We use so much clean laundry. I have dirty laundry in here, honestly. This is just so bad. This is not okay. Like, I'm gonna try to open one of these. Okay. Like, guys, what makes a good thumbnail, doesn't it? It's like so bad. Aside from this being a complete disaster, it usually never gets this bad. I usually try to pick up at least once a week in here. I need to clean this all before I decide what to give away. I can't do this. I've been away, but I've been very active on TikTok. I was actually with a bunch of girls at my friend's vacation villa in Curacao. It's one of the ABC islands, so there's Aruba, Bonaire, and Curacao. It was so much fun. The only person I knew going into it was my friend Dasha, and then every other girl, either I knew Brooklyn like from online, but every other girl I pretty much met there. That was a little bit scary, honestly, because that's very out of my comfort zone, but I was so much fun. We had so much fun. We like had a blast. Obviously, just from being together for that long, we all became very fast friends because of it. Yeah, we just had the best time ever. However, my whole point of bringing this up, a lot of them are from New York and have a very specific like New York cool girl style. Like, I'll link all their Instagrams below because they're just all so fun. I feel like we're all in this kind of, especially people who do YouTube and like content creating for a living, we're all in this kind of like style rut almost. I like don't even know what my personal style is. I went on that TikToker Allison Bornstein and tried to figure out like my 3 words. If you haven't seen her TikToks, they're amazing. She really helps you kind of nail what your personal style is or what you like aspire it to be. But these girls, like, they do so many things that are so different than what I do day to day, and I want to like incorporate that into my style because they just, I'm going to share the knowledge. I'm going to share the tea. One thing I love that they all do, and one thing I want to be more mindful of, I try my best to do it, but is to shop local. I mean, obviously New York just has a plethora of cool small businesses and brands, but Toronto does too, and I just often forget that there are places other than thrift store and Zara to shop, especially when it comes to jewelry. Like, there's so many amazing small businesses and brands. Like, Brooklyn just told me about this brand called Biko, and they're actually based in Toronto, and I think that's so cool. So I definitely have been eyeing some stuff on her site. Like, oftentimes I fall into this trap of buying a lot of things that everyone else is buying, and that's obviously fine. Like, I'm an Aritzia girly through and through, but to kind of like make your style more unique, it's so fun to like implement other stuff. Also, it makes sense because in New York you live in such small living quarters that they don't have the amount of stuff that like most people in New York don't have a whole room for their closet like I do. And I find that when you're forced to be a little bit more discerning about your wardrobe, really are much more intentional about your personal style, what you're going to keep, what you're going to bring into here. Obviously my job is a little bit different. I get sent things every month and I'm so grateful for that, but it gives me a really good idea of what I should incorporate or what I have maybe a bit too much of, and you know, all that. I just thought that was brilliant. I find that also a lot of them spend more money on like quality pieces and not just like small little trendy things and stuff like that. Like, obviously we all fall for the Amazon trap and everything, but I feel like they're just so much more intentional with what they buy. I used to be a bit like that, but definitely with this little fashion room I've gotten out of hand. You live and you learn. And then the other main thing, which I think is so huge that they all do, is that they take things to the tailor. And I said this so many times on my YouTube channel, like, take things to the tailor, but oftentimes it feels like such a chore. So finding a tailor local to you or just someone that you know that you're going to make the effort to go to is so key. I thrifted a bunch of stuff yesterday. I'm going to show you guys in this video, but I'm going to go to the tailor today and show you guys the things I'm going to be tailoring like ASAP, so that way I can wear them this summer, because if I don't take them now, like, when am I ever going to wear it? So the pieces that you really want to make work, you have to make the effort and just take them to the tailor within like a week of buying them, or else you're never going to do it. I'm done rambling for now. We definitely cleared a lot of the floor, but have so much to put away. Let's start the time lapse. Once the space is just a little bit cleaner, we are going to do the full-on closet purge.
6 a.m. tea times, 18 with the mayor talking land banks. I waited for it, gotta get mine. Snag a seat up at the table if my man can't. Head into a meeting, we're familiar with no briefcase. Just my mind in a free state. I got a plan through a vision, but it takes time. I'ma make mine. Summertime and then why?
my god, okay, I am hot. I've done the Depop thing, guys, and I'm a terrible seller on Depop. Like, everything ships out very late. I get all those notifications, and I don't really have a lot of time. So we're gonna tackle this guy today, just because I know there's so much in here that I've never worn, or I know I'm not going to wear. Like, I already see this guy. This is such a nice dress, and I wore this in my White Fox haul. But by the time I got this, I was just seeing it everywhere and I didn't really want to wear it, but it's such a cute dress. Next thing I have here, the short version of this dress. I want to do a charitable cause. I don't know which one I'm going to do, but a lot of the stuff I do get sent, so I don't want to profit off it or anything. I just want to be able to get rid of it. Okay, this is such a gem. Little Chi Pao or Cheongsam or whatever you want to call it. But it's Burberry print. It's not real Burberry, but I'm just like not obsessed with a lot of this stuff anymore. I've never worn this just because it's a little bit ratty. Same with this knit Song of Style dress. It's beautiful, but I mean, ask if my sister wants this one because this is kind of her style. This like unitard romper, new with tags from Revolve. I just don't wear this stuff, so fun little like Reebok overalls. Princess Polly dress, again, new with tags. I really like this jumpsuit, but it just doesn't fit me properly. Everlane blazer, a really fun green Princess Polly jacket. Again, I never wear this out, so it's fun. I just don't wear it out. Not obsessed with it. I feel like we freed up. Oh, and then this stuff here. Little terry cloth H&M dress. This slip I attempted to take in, but it's fraying a lot. I think this has to go to donation. It's just too worn. I keep trying to make this rust color happen, and it's just not happening for me. This is very cute. It's a little mini garage dress, but I think it's had its moment. This is cute, but it's a little pilly, so I'm gonna donate it. Okay, okay. Dylan, how much do you think I'm gonna make? We have stuff from, I have stuff in there from like Revolve, Aritzia, like good stuff. But I guess I'm gonna make 150. I'm gonna say 150. 150. Okay, so we just made $146. Not bad, but that's all. Obviously, we're gonna donate that. But yeah, exciting. That felt productive. This is kind of turning into like a revamping my whole wardrobe, so not mad at it though. I got some really good stuff lately. Most of it is thrifted and some of it I even picked up today, but I figured like why not end off with some of the stuff that like I've actually been liking, because I've just been showing you guys the stuff that I've been donating or selling or whatever, so let's do it. I just got this dress for my Revolve gifting. Obviously my bra's peeking out of it, so imagine it more like this. But I think this is gonna be super, super cute. Did come with a belt, but I wasn't crazy about it, so I just feel like this makes a lot more sense. Okay, so imagine this without the little bra strap, but this is one of my favorite purchases, definitely the most expensive one out of everything. It is the Skims ribbed cotton robe or dress or whatever. It is like, you guys can kind of see. Like, honestly, there are a lot of dupes for this dress, but there's nothing that kind of like sucks you in like this and just really flatters your body. This top is also from Revolve. It's super down, so it's pretty affordable considering it is Revolve. It reminds me of Chanel or just something that's very like classy, which is why I got it. I think it'll just go with everything, and I just want more going out tops that are more like this. And then I wanted like a lower waisted skirt. This one I picked up from the thrift store today, and I think it's actually meant to be high-waisted, but I sized up a few so that way it could sit a bit lower. And then it's actually super long, but I already safety pin marked it, so I am going to actually take that in. Also think this combo together is so cute. That's so cute. Okay, I love that. I wore this skirt today, and I just think it was really cute with a little tank top. Super easy. You've probably seen this skirt if you follow me on TikTok, because I did do a little thrift haul where some of this is overlap, but the top I just picked up, this was a bit expensive, and I'm just wearing a plain black bra under, but it's just a shrug. But what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put a little like snap closure here so that way it will stay shut. Like, I love the sleeve detail. Kind of a weird skirt, but I feel like for those who get it, they're just gonna get it. There's pockets in the front, and it's a little bit big, but I kind of like the way it looks. $6. These little boxers with new with tags, 100% silk. And it did come with a matching top. I'm not so crazy about the fit of it. You guys can see on my TikTok, but I love these shorts. Like, I'm actually gonna wear these out. So this skirt had an Etro label, which is so crazy because Etro is one of my favorite designers. But I would probably wear this either as a bathing suit cover up, like I think that's so cute, or I could put a little white tank top with it. I just think this is gonna be so cute for the summer. Like this little tank. I'm gonna get rid of all my other vests and just keep this one I thrifted because the fit of this is unbelievable. Ultra flattering. I like the where it sits at my bust line. I wouldn't wear these together because they're actually different materials, but these pants, guys, like look at like the little detail here, the grommets. These pants fit so well too. I'm like actually just obsessed in general with this. So freaking fire, it's so good. I think that wraps up today's video. If you guys want to see the stuff that's tailored, maybe I'll make a YouTube short about it or I'll put it in the next vlog. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this one. Thanks for cleaning up my closet with me and revamping my wardrobe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye everyone.